Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to flip an image in Photoshop. Let me show you how. So this particular image right here, we're going to see how we can flip this image from different angles. And for that, what we want to do is to come to the top right here. And we'll go ahead and click on edit. Then having click on edit, then we go ahead and click on free transform. So right here, we have different options that we can use to flip the image right here. We can rotate to 180 degree, 90 clockwise, and the light and horizontal and vertical flip. So this is one of the first methods to flip. However, we can scale down right here. So once we scale down in Photoshop 2025, you have the instant tool right here that allow you to flip from different angles. So if you are using the latest version of Photoshop, so if I decide to use rotate counterclockwise, then you'll see it. We have it right here as counterclockwise. So if I decide to return back to my default, so I will just press Ctrl Z and it's gone back to the default. If I decide to flip this image from this particular direction to horizontal direction, so what I need to do is to go ahead and flip to horizontal. Then we have it right here. So if I decide to return back, I click it on again and it will return back to previous destination. So if I decide to flip to vertical, so I have to make sure I click on flip to vertical, then we have it right here. So I can decide to return back to destination and then click on it again. So if I decide to rotate in another angle, like rotate counterclockwise, so you have it right here. So we can go ahead and click on cancel. This will take it back to the normal position. It's that simple. So this is how to flip an image in Photoshop. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Photoshop software like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.